I've got a feeling that this Black Friday is going to be the best Black Friday ever for getting amazing deals on software. One coming up right now. But times are tough. I made a video on TikTok the other day saying, don't spend your money on crap this Black Friday. And I totally mean that. But if you can invest your money on something that will help you grow or improve your business, then what a great time to cut those costs and get something you need. We're going to look at Scalenut now. I sing and dance about Scalenut because it's a fantastic AI writer. In my opinion, it does so much more than the other writers, and it includes SEO. I'm going to give you a sneak peek at their Black Friday deal. You can register for it now. I've got the link in the description. I'll put it on the screen as well. You can register for this deal now. Look at this. So get to this page now and register. You'll get 24 hours early access. There's limited slots on this. And look, I think I am all right showing you this, actually. Yeah, I've not been given an embargo. Some of the software companies have told me not to mention the deals they're going to be doing, but I'm all right to show you this. Scalenut will be offering you 70% off their lifetime plans, but there only are 500 slots. All right? You want to be in that 500 because that's a deal for life. All right? It's a lifetime price that you'll get, and getting Scalenut for 70% off is just fantastic. So the deals there, it's phils.deals/Scalenut. I've changed the link so it goes straight to this page. All right. And then you're going to have to log in on November the 30th. I've got my reviews. I've got my demo videos of Scalenut. It doesn't just do AI writing. It does amazing SEO. So you can really get that article, grab it and get it appearing in Google using AI. All right. Fantastic software. Get on this website. There you go. You'll get, in 24 hours, you'll get your chance to get one of those 500 slots. It is so highly rated, Scalenut. Capterra 4.8. And I don't want you to miss out on it. All right, so there is one. I'm sure I'm going to be making, mainly over the next 2 weeks, videos where I find the Black Friday sale deals, because they release them a little bit before, give us a bit of a hint of what is coming up. So, follow me. Register for this one, phils.deals/Scalenut. And hopefully you're one of the lucky 500 who can get it for 70% off. Thank me later. You will love it. So my thoughts on Black Friday are, don't waste it on stuff you don't need. Don't buy stuff that's not going to improve your business, because I'm speaking to everyone in the software world and the business world. Everybody is tightening their belts. But if you can get some great deals that are going to help you along the way and help you survive, do them on Black Friday. Cheers, everybody. See you next time.